Sir. I am Margaret Lunelio, 22 years old, living in Phase 2, Bugo, Crossing, Minterio. My hobbies, my hobbies in life are watching movies, playing online games, and assembling a motorcycle engine. And why am I in this group? I joined this group because I felt comfortable with them and I know I can communicate well to this group. What do I expect from this subject is I want to improve my confidence and teamwork through activity in this subject.
Adrian Husto. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Phase 3 Block 7, Payatas Quezon City. So I'm just a transferee and now I'm renting a boarding house para mas malapit sa school and di mahirapan sa mga biyahe. So my hobbies are playing instrument, arranging music and editing my own videos. So why am I in this group? I think dahil nakita sa mga grupo na responsable sila and sobrang desidido silang maging successful to. Para sa akin napaka-importante nun. Lalo na lahat kami gusto maging successful itong journey na to. At lahat willing umambag ng mga effort, yan, kasipagan. Kaya sobrang halaga to para sa akin. So, ano yung na-expect ko sa subject na to? Para sa akin, it's a win-win situation, no? Kung ano man mangyari sa dulo. Kasi sa dulo, may mga bagay na matutunan kami na may apply namin sa next, no? At maging best kami sa gagawin namin.
Bisa po. Cause it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. I am in this group because we've been classmates since our first year and we've been already worked together in our several group projects. Our good communication makes teamwork easier and more effective. I expect that I will learn a lot from this subject and I can be applied in the future.
I'm in this group because since first year, we are classmates until now. And we plan together to work our capstone project. For this subject, I want to learn new things and more.
Hi, I'm Jinwell Agbay, and I'm currently 21 years old. I enjoy troubleshooting devices,
She went to China. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD.
playing games, and also music. I'm in this group because our different skills and masteries complement one another. Each member has a specific skills and masteries that fits their role, making our teamwork more effective, allowing us to grow and learn as an IT team.